Hello everybody, so today I will do about the calculus. The topic today is about the basic integral in here. So I will show some questions in here. We have the antiderivative e power s multiplied with the square root 1 plus e power s in here. And we have to answer for this question. If you see e power s and we have 1 plus e power s under the square root, so we know that we can use about integral by substitution. So we will have u equal to the square root 1 plus e power s. Then we put about the u power 2 because we want to destroy the square root in here. And we got about 1 plus e power s. Then we do about the integral in the both sides. So we got about, we do derivative in the both sides. So we got about 2u du. And we have e power s ds. Now we can do about substitution in here. We have the square root in here, then we change to the u. We have e power s and we have ds like this. Change to 2u du. And we got about 2 u power 2 du. And we got about u, the integral u power 2, then we become u power 3 divided by 3 plus c. In the u power 3 we change back to the square root 1 plus e power s. Plus c. So that's the answer for the question. On the next question, we have the integral 3s power 2 multiplied with e power 2s power 3 ds in here. So we continue to do about substitution in here. So in this one we see that if we do about 2s power 3 and then we do the derivative, they go about s power 2 in here. So that's why I put u equal to 2s power 3 du is about 6s power 2 ds in here. So because in here we have number 3 but in here we have number 6, so we can divide by du by 2. So this one they will change to 3s power 2 ds, and this is similar with 3s power 2 ds, they change to du divided by 2. E power this one they will change to u, and this is the answer. And we go about e power u divided by 2 plus c. And in here we have the u in here, we convert back to this one. And here is the answer for the question number 2. Question number 3, this is the basic one. We just apply e power u, so that if we have the minus s in here, they convert back to the minus e power 1 minus s in here, because when we do derivative they will return back to the positive e power 1 minus s, because in the minus s they destroy the minus in here. And we got about the number minus e power 1 minus 2 plus e power 1 minus 1, and we got an answer in here is about minus 1 over e plus 1. And here is the answer to the next question with the 1 to 2. In here we can apply the to math about the factor s minus 3 on the numerator, so we can do like this. To s minus 3, because we want to do the same thing to in here, so that we can substitute for this one, and we have 2s minus 6, but we have plus 5 at the beginning, so we got about 11, because 2 multiplied with minus 3 is about minus 6 plus 11 is about 5, and we have the square root in here. Now we can put about 2 integral in here. On the first one in here, we do substitution. That's a u equal to the square root s minus 3, and we have u power 2, we have s minus 3, and we have 2u du equal to ds, and this one that we change to two, and s minus 3 is about 2u power 2. In here the square root that we change to u, and the next one ds is about 2u du, and we simplify in here. 2 multiplied with 2 is about 4. U power 2 divided to u, you got about u. U multiplied with u is about u power 2, and we got like this. U power 2 it become 4u power 3 divided by 3 plus c, and u will return back to the square root. So this is the first one. So on the next one, we have the integral in here with 11 ds, but we know that square root is about 1 over 2, but they divide in here, so we change to s minus 3 power minus 1 over 2. So now we do about the power of integral, so we got about 11 multiply with about s minus 3 power minus 1 over 2 plus 1, and in here about denominator we have minus 1 over 2 plus 1 plus c, and in here we have the answer is about 11 s minus 3, that will become 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2 plus 1 is about minus 1 over 2, and we got about 23 multiplied with the square root s minus 3. Don't forget about the constant. Now combine two the answer together. We have the answer like this. Here is the answer for the question. On the next question, we just do about unit by unit. So in here, cosine they will change to the sine. One over 4, and in here we have s power 5, they will change to s power minus 5, and we have the answer in here, s power minus 5 plus 1. In the denominator we have minus 5 plus 1. Here 4 is 1. So now we can put the answer. Sine 4 minus 2, 3 multiply with 4 power minus 4, and here minus 4. So minus sine 1 plus 3 multiply with 1 power minus 4 is about 1, and in here is about 1 divided to minus 4. So here is the answer for the question. Question number 5 or number 6, something like this, is about double integral. To do this question, we do the double integral inside first of the ds, then we do dy. In here we have the ds, so we have the answer is about s in here because we do integral back to the antiderivative. So 1 they will change to s. S in here they will change to a s power 2 divided by 2, but we keep about y. Right now is about the number, s is about variable of the ds. In here we have from 0 to 3, and we put the answer for the question in here. We have number 3 put in the s. We don't need to calculate the 0 because we put 0 action will become the 0. So we have 3 plus s multiplied with 3 power 2 divided by 2, and we have y dy. So we calculate the next one. This one right now is so simple to do integral in right now. Answer is 57. Similar this one. That's it the end. Thank you for watching.